This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry udon. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh or frozen udon noodles, which offer the best chewy texture. Next, select a protein like chicken, beef, or tofu, and a colorful mix of vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and bok choy. Finally, prepare a delicious sauce with soy sauce, mirin, and a touch of sesame oil. Now, let's get everything ready for the wok. Cook your udon noodles as directed on the package, usually just 1 to 2 minutes for frozen varieties, then drain and set aside. Uniformly slice all your vegetables, like carrots and cabbage, to ensure they cook evenly. If using meat, marinate it for at least 15 minutes to infuse flavor and tenderize it. It's time to cook. Heat your wok or large skillet over high heat, adding a tablespoon or 2 of oil. First, stir-fry your protein until it's nearly cooked through, then remove it from the pan. Next, add your prepared vegetables, cooking them until crisp tender. Return the protein to the pan, add the cooked udon noodles, and pour in your savory sauce, tossing everything to combine. Your delicious udon stir-fry is now ready. Garnish with fresh green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for an extra touch of flavor and visual appeal. Serve it immediately to enjoy the noodles at their perfect chewy texture and the vegetables at their crisp tender best. This quick and satisfying meal is perfect for any weeknight. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.